Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Take only what resonates. Sa mga gusto mong magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader. If you want, pwede ka rin mag-inquire. Meron pa akong available na astrological reading ngayon. Hanggang end lang siya ng August, guys. Magiging available. Astrological reading. And if ever maging available pa siya sa susunod na ibang buwan, ano na siya, iba na yung price niya. Anyway, mag-inquire na lang kayo sa Virgo Philippines. Meron tayong astrological reading na may kasama siyang tarot advice. And yeah, that is for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Coffin is here and Thief. So I can see a lot of disappointments, lungkot. Pwedeng may mga bagay na nawala sa'yo. With a high honor, tinatry mo lumaban eh. And I feel like there's a lot of support coming from people around you na parang who are willing to fight for you. Fight for this, or like, yung iba sa inyo, there's a possibility that kung ano man itong big change na nangyari sa'yo, malaki man or maliit, you have the support of these people around you to help you na ma-overcome maayos itong problema na ito. There's this Thief right here. So, yung iba sa inyo may mga bagay na nawala sa'yo. It could be anything, money, pets, especially nagkakaroon tayo ng Mercury retrograde during this time. So, and also it's ghost month. So, yung iba sa inyo medyo affected ka nitong pangyayari na ito. Nakita tayo ng mga sufferings and possible na parang may mga times na hindi mo kaya, gusto mong magpahinga, gusto mong hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo. That is your energy. No? And pagdating sa person na kakonect ni Virgo, who is this person? Pagdating sa love. Journey is here. This could be a person na malayo sa'yo. Community is here. So, or maybe someone from your community. So, hindi natin masabi, either malayo or malapit, it doesn't matter. The official person is here, toil and labor. I feel like currently itong person na to is child and house is here. So, pwedeng may mga bagay siyang inuuna sa ngayon because of maybe a child, or pwedeng may kinalaman sa house or home. Pwedeng isa itong taong tong gusto kang tulungan, or lagi na dyan para sa'yo. And I feel like pwedeng hindi mo alam kung ano sasabihin sa kanya, or nahihiya ka sa kanya. I feel like this person sees you as kind of like a best friend energy. And kung kailangan mo ng comfort, I'm here. If you need someone to talk to, I'm here. But ikaw, the energy is parang ayaw mong magpaka-vulnerable sa taong ito. Kasi una sa lahat, hindi mo naman alam kung maintindihan niya. Hindi mo naman alam kung anong gagawin niya, or kung may magagawa ba siya. So, this person is busy, lalo na pagdating sa kanyang work, sa kanyang career. Pero naiisip ka niya eh. Hindi siya masaya na nagkakaganyan ka. And give me more message please for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. You do have here, this could be the one. Separation. True love and romantic feelings. Soulmate. Yeah, this could be your soulmate. And pwedeng tinatry mong i-separate ang iyong sarili or yung emotion mo as much as possible. Ayaw mong maging open sa iyong emotions dito. With the this could be the one, I feel like you already knew that this person is the one for you. Pero yun nga eh, parang ayaw mo kasing maging open or ayaw mo nang i-offer ang emotion or ang life mo sa kanya, buhay mo sa kanya. Maybe in the past you're being open, you're being positive pagdating sa connection ninyo. Pero maybe hindi mo nagustuhan yung mga surprises na ginawa or nangyari dito sa connection ninyo. So, all in all, medyo affected ka talaga sa mga malaking pagbabago nangyari ngayon sa buhay mo. Na sabihin na natin, oo, nandyan siya, pero ang tanong, ano ba maitutulong niya? Ano bang gagawin niya? Parang ganon. And, for some of you, ayaw mo na lang magsalita or ayaw mo nang gumawa ng action. You're just allowing this person na gawin yung mga dapat niyang gawin or kung anong gagawin niya sa connection ninyo. Depende. Depende sa sagot niya, depende sa gagawin niya, depende kung matutuwa ka sa mga sasabihin or gagawain niya. It depends. But I feel like some kind of preparation ang nangyayari ngayon. Tell me about this. Let your friends help you, heart-to-heart conversation. I can see that there's an upcoming communication sa inyo ng person na ito. And pwedeng this person is literal that would help you during this time. Maybe would help you na maging optimistic, magkaroon ng inspiration, would help you get up, would help you pagdating sa mga kailangan mo, nandito siya. But you do have here the ascending, the Grim Reaper, and the healthy choices. Girl talk. Actually, you should take care of yourself. Alagaan mo yung sarili mo. Mahalin mo sarili mo. Sa person na to, eto nakikita natin yung card is the relationship is over, no second chances, grow and transform your life. Actually, this is not what I can feel, but rather, ito yung dapat isipin mo during this time na to transform your life. Kung ano man yung mga nag-end sa buhay mo, nag-end na yun, wala nang chance na mabalik yun, wala nang chance na maulit pa or maging maayos pa yung mga sitwasyon, bagay na nawala sa'yo. And transform your life. Baguhin mo, ayusin mo na lang. Kung yung mga nawala, it's just an obstacle for your success or kumbaga isang malaking dagok or obstacle sa'yo, but you need to, move on. Girl talk is here at the bottom of the deck. Move on, moving on. If you need time, if you need friends to help you from that moving on, they could help you. Okay? Kausapin mo sila if you want or you needed support or anything. So, that's it for now. Hopefully, nakarelate ka, nakaresonate ka. Again, virgophilippines@gmail.com. Dun ka mag-email. Nakapromo ako ngayon, 1,500. 1 hour mahigit na video, astrological reading. Sabihin mo sa akin kung saan mo gusto ako mag-concentrate, love, career. If you want to know about your soulmate, the one that is meant for you, I can tell you that. Career na magmamatch para sa'yo, long term, short term, sino yung mga tao makakatulong sa growth mo, I can help you with that. And may kasama yung tarot advice. virgophilippines@gmail.com. Pag hindi ako nag-reply agad-agad, it means wait lang, tinatapos ko pa yung mga nakapila because ayoko ng magpatong-patong. Okay, ayoko ng ganun. So, as much as possible, sasagutin kita pag ready na ulit ako mag-accept. So, bigyan mo ko ng time. And also, after mong, that is actually payment first. Meron na tayong available GCash. Pero, yeah, GCash and PayPal is possible. Payment first. Bigyan mo rin ako ng time, like 2 to 3 days para gawain yung reading after mag-pay because, aaralin ko yung iyong chart, titignan ko yung mga importanteng planets, asteroid na kailangan kong mabanggit sa'yo. So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.